2026 Aprilia RSV4 X GP, Track Dominator. Welcome back to Bike Review Hubs, the channel where we bring you the most detailed insights into the latest motorcycles. Today, we are diving into one of the most exclusive and extreme machines of 2026, the Aprilia RSV4 X GP. Designed as a track-only superbike, this model pushes the boundaries of performance, blending MotoGP engineering with road racing DNA. Racing DNA and exclusivity. The RSV4 X GP is not your everyday superbike. Aprilia has built it as a limited edition track weapon, drawing directly from its MotoGP program. With production capped to a very small number of units, each bike is essentially a collector's piece and a performance machine rolled into one. It represents Aprilia's relentless pursuit of racing perfection. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV4 X GP lies the legendary 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, tuned to deliver over 230 horsepower. Combined with advanced racing electronics, ultra-lightweight titanium components, and a racing exhaust system, the bike is engineered for blistering speed. Every part of the powertrain has been optimized for track use, ensuring lightning-fast throttle response and top-tier acceleration. Chassis and aerodynamics. Aprilia has equipped this machine with a race-spec chassis, featuring lightweight carbon fiber bodywork, aero wings for improved downforce, and MotoGP-inspired suspension. The aerodynamics are designed to keep the bike stable at extreme speeds, giving riders confidence to push harder into every corner. Electronics and rider aids. The RSV4 X GP is fitted with Aprilia's most advanced electronics suite yet. This includes launch control, wheelie control, quick shift, engine braking management, and cornering ABS, all tuned specifically for racing. Riders can fine-tune settings according to track conditions, ensuring maximum performance at all times. Weight and handling. Perhaps the most impressive figure is the weight. With extensive use of carbon fiber, magnesium wheels, and lightweight race parts, the RSV4 X GP tips the scales at around 165 kilograms dry. This gives it a power-to-weight ratio that rivals full factory racing machines. The result is razor-sharp handling and unmatched agility on the track. Conclusion. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 X GP is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of engineering excellence. Exclusively built for the track, it combines MotoGP technology, extreme performance, and rare exclusivity, making it one of the most desirable superbikes of its time. Thanks for watching Bike Review Hubs. If you love high-performance motorcycles and want to stay updated with the latest releases, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews.